Good morning, students. Question is: a man sold 2 cycles for rupees 3,000 each. 3,000 each, gaining 20% on one, on losing 20% on the other. Find his gain or loss percentage and the total. Okay, here the question is: a man sold 2 bicycles for rupees 3,000 each. అంటే 2 సైకిల్ని ఒక్కొక్కటి 3,000కి అమ్మేసేసాడు. అమ్మితే అతను ఏమొచ్చింది? గెయినింగ్ 20% ఆన్ వన్. ఫస్ట్ వన్ మీద 20% ప్రాఫిట్ వచ్చింది, అండ్ లాసింగ్ 20% ఆన్ ద అదర్. సెకండ్ వన్ మీద 20% లాస్ వచ్చింది. అంటే ఇక్కడ అర్థం ఏంటంటే, ఫస్ట్ సైకిల్ని ఎంత కొన్నాడో తెలియదు, సెకండ్ సైకిల్ని కూడా ఎంత కొన్నాడో తెలియదు, కానీ 2 సైకిళ్ళను అమ్మేశాడు. ఎంత అమ్మాడు? 3,000 రూపీస్ చొప్పున అమ్మాడు. ఫస్ట్ సైకిల్ని ఎంత కొన్నాడు తెలియదు కదా, సెకండ్ సైకిల్ ఎంత కొన్నాడో తెలియదు, కానీ వాడికి ఏమైంది? వాడికి తెలుసు కదా, అది చెప్పలేదు, మనం కనుక్కోమని అర్థం. ఫస్ట్ వన్ మీద 20% ప్రాఫిట్ వచ్చింది, సెకండ్ వన్ మీద 20% లాస్ వచ్చింది. టోటల్గా అతనికి ప్రాఫిటా లాసా? ఆ 2 సైకిళ్ళు కొని అమ్మినందువలన ప్రాఫిట్ వచ్చిందా లాస్ వచ్చిందో కనుక్కో. ఓకే, ఫస్ట్ వన్ CP, how much? 3,000. Gain 20%. Profit. This is profit. SP equal to CP into 100 by 100 plus G. 3,000 into 100 by 100 plus 20. 3,000 into 100 by 120. 100 plus 20, 120. Now here 0 cancel here. 12 table cancel here. 2 12s are 24. 5 12s are 60. 25 times. 25 into 100. 2,500. This is the CP of the first cycle. Next, this is the SP. It means he bought the cycle for rupees 2,500 and he sold it to 3,000. So here the 500 profit. Okay, like that. Second one rupees CP. Okay, CP is rupees 3,000. L equal to 20%. SP equal to CP into 100 by 100 minus G. CP 3,000 into 100 by 100 minus 20. 3,000 into 100 by 80. 18 means 100 minus 20. Now here 0 cancel. This 8 cancelled in 3,000. 3 8s are 24. 67 times 5 times. That's equal to rupees 3,750. This is the SP of second one. Now total SP. Total SP. First one 2500. Second one 3750. Total 6250. This is the total SP. Total CP. This is total CP. Total SP 3000 plus 3000. That's equal to rupees 6000. This is total SP. This is total CP. What happened? He got loss. He got loss. How do you know? Here CP is greater than SP. CP is greater than SP. Therefore, loss equal to CP minus SP. 6250 minus 6000. That's equal to rupees 250 is the loss. Now, percentage of loss equal to loss by CP into 100. Percentage of loss equal to loss by CP into 100. How much loss? 250 by total CP 6250 into 100. Now cancellation. This zero cancel. Okay, 25 table here 10 times, here 25 times. Now 5 table in here 2 times, here 5 times. This 5 cancel here 2 times. That's equal to 2 into 2, 4%. This is the total percentage of loss. That is the total percentage of loss. Once again, I am explaining here. Second one. Here SP equal to 3000, loss equal to 20%, CP equal to cost price equal to SP into 100 by 100 minus G, 3000 into 100 by 100 minus 20, 3000 into 100 by 80 only. Here 008 cancelled, here 375 times, 375 into 10, 3750. This is the CP of second one. First one CP is 2500. Now total CP 2500 plus 3750. Total CP is 6250. This is total CP. It means both cycles. CP cost price 6250. Total SP first one and second one sold by 3000 rupees. So total SP 3000 rupees plus 3000 6000 rupees. Here CP is 6250, SP is 6000 only. CP is greater than SP. CP is greater than SP. So he got loss. Loss is equal to CP minus SP. 6250 minus 6000. How much? 250 rupees he got loss. Next, percentage of loss equal to loss by CP into 100. 250 by 6250 into 100. I will explain once again the cancellation easily. How to cancellation? How to cancel? See here. 250 by 6250 into 100. Okay? 0, 0. 25 table cancelled here 25 times. This 25 cancelled in 100 4 times. That's equal to 4%. Otherwise, one more type cancel. 250 by 6250 into 100. In this method also we get the same answer. Here 0, 0. 25 table 10 times. Here 25 times. 5 table 2 times. 5 times. This 5 cancelled in 10 2 times. Now 2 into 2 4%. This is some difficult. This is very easy. This is the answer. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.